Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by installing and signing into Chrome. Make sure sync is enabled so bookmarks and tabs appear. Next, open the site you need and tap the three dots to request desktop site. This changes the user agent immediately so the page serves the desktop layout. Once done, reload the page to force assets to load as desktop. If you plan to mirror or control a desktop, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi and that Chrome is up to date on the computer. Once you have the desktop view, adjust Chrome settings to make it usable. Pinch to zoom and use landscape orientation for more space, and enable reader mode when available to strip clutter. Make sure pop-ups that force mobile versions are blocked, because some sites still redirect. For interactive desktop-only features, use a remote desktop app or Chrome Remote Desktop. This provides true desktop control rather than just the layout. Also, manage cookies and site permissions so desktop content loads without permission dialogues. To finish, verify functionality. Test links, forms, and media in desktop view, and use landscape orientation for complex pages. If a site still behaves like mobile, clear cache and reload with empty cache, or disable Java script temporarily to force desktop rendering. For true keyboard input and file transfer, connect via Chrome Remote Desktop or an MFI keyboard paired to the iPhone. If anything breaks visually, toggle Request Desktop Site Off and On and restart Chrome. This resolves most rendering and cookie issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.